you saying? I wasn't paying attention. What were you saying about snowboarding?
Yeah.
What is that?
Yo, where can I plug this
What do
in,
you call
bro?
it? What do you call it?
Snowboarding.
What is that?
It's when you go snowboarding, niggas be out there sleeping and shit.
Huh?
Yeah, they be out there sleeping.
What do you call it?
Sleep. Talking about I'm gonna go home with a bed. That's snowboarding. Yeah. Niggas sleep on you and shit. They think you can't do that. You out there putting in work. That's snowboarding.
What do they call
That's
it?
snowboarding. Out there sleeping. Out there sleeping. Yo, what the fuck, man? You get a fucking charger. There it is, right there. Right there.
Come on, blood.